We are standing at the absolute edge of an automotive revolution, and the reality is that most people have not even noticed the ground shifting beneath their feet. We are currently living in a world where your neighbor's brand new, six-figure European luxury vehicle looks and feels like a forgotten relic from a bygone era when parked next to what is silently rolling out of the East right now. The year is 2026, and the global car market is experiencing a seismic disruption that nobody in the traditional boardrooms of Germany or Detroit saw coming. If you genuinely believe that the pinnacle of high-tech driving is a minimalist dashboard from California, or that a famous British hood ornament is the only valid ticket to ultimate prestige, you are bracing for a massive, wallet-draining reality check. The automotive landscape has been completely rewritten overnight. We are no longer just talking about standard electric vehicles with slightly better range or slightly faster charging times. We are talking about rolling fortresses equipped with military-grade sensors, suspension systems that defy the laws of physics, and interior cabins that make the first-class suite of a commercial airliner feel incredibly cramped and outdated. This is not just a gentle evolution of the car. It is a total reimagining of what a vehicle is supposed to be. It is a technological leap so profound that it makes traditional engineering look like a joke. The industry is moving aggressively past the limitations of old battery architectures, pushing the boundaries with advanced chemistries, super capacitor applications, and next-generation energy storage that practically screams the message of no more lithium dependency in the near future. These machines are not just coming to compete for a small slice of the market share. They are functioning as a brilliant, unstoppable Trojan horse, arriving to mentally break every other car manufacturer on the entire planet. Today, we are diving deep into the top 5 most luxurious, mind-bending Chinese vehicles that are actively redefining the concept of premium travel. Get ready, because the standard for luxury has just been permanently shattered. Let us kick things off with a vehicle that is so outrageously extravagant it makes a Mercedes-Maybach look like something you would rent at an airport budget counter. This is the Micstro S800, the absolute flagship behemoth born from the unprecedented collaboration between tech giant Huawei and JAC under the HIMA alliance. This car was engineered with one singular, ruthless purpose, which is to make every billionaire on the face of the earth deeply question their previous automotive life choices. The sheer scale of this machine is difficult to comprehend until you are standing right next to it. Measuring nearly 18 feet in length, it is essentially a private luxury jet that happens to have wheels. The front end of the Micstro S800 is pure, unadulterated high-fashion drama. It features a stunning closed-off galaxy grille design that simulates a literal starlit sky, flanked by dual-layer crystal daytime running lights that perform a perfectly choreographed, cinematic light show every single time you approach the vehicle. The hood is exceptionally long and muscular, defined by sharp, aerodynamic creases that give it an incredibly intimidating presence on the road. Tucked discreetly above the windshield is a high-definition solid-state LiDAR sensor, acting as the eyes of the Huawei ADS-3 system. This vehicle maps the entire world in flawless three-dimensional clarity before you even think about turning the steering wheel. Moving along the side profile, the dimensions continue to feel wonderfully offensive to traditional design norms. It glides on massive 21-inch forged alloy wheels featuring a multi-spoke design that resembles polished silver jewelry. The doors are completely frameless, equipped with hidden handles that deploy with a gentle touch, and they close automatically with a whisper-quiet soft-close mechanism, so you never have to slam a door again. The sweeping fastback roofline is covered in privacy glass so impenetrably dark that it feels like a rolling vault. Underneath the breathtaking exterior, the Micstro S800 is a supreme technical marvel. Available in a staggering triple electric motor extended range configuration, it pushes out mind-blowing horsepower while completely eliminating range anxiety. The interior, however, is where your brain simply resets. The dashboard is a literal wall of glass, powered by the lightning-fast Harmony OS, presenting graphics so crisp they make modern tablets look obsolete. You are enveloped by 43 separate speakers, delivering a Dolby Atmos 3D sound experience that is perfectly tuned for every individual seat. The rear cabin features zero-gravity executive seats wrapped in the finest grade A Napa leather, complete with a starry sky roof overhead that simulates a mesmerizing meteor shower. For a price tag hovering around $140,000, it delivers a $300,000 Rolls-Royce experience, proving that the old guard of luxury is completely outmatched. If the Mixtro represents the absolute peak of sedan opulence, then our second contender is the ultimate dominance flex in the SUV category. Enter the Huawei Ato M9, a technological powerhouse that is currently outselling every single luxury SUV in its class, and for incredibly good reasons. The face of this vehicle is entirely dominated by dual-lens Huawei X-Pixel headlights, which are not just for illuminating the road. These lights are high-definition projectors capable of beaming a 100-inch movie directly onto a wall or projecting perfectly crisp navigation arrows straight onto the asphalt in front of you, ensuring you never miss a turn in the dark. The exterior design philosophy is rooted in ultimate simplicity and purity, featuring a massive, imposing stance that makes a Range Rover look entirely ordinary. The side profile showcases a beautiful two-tone paint job, aerodynamic 22-inch wheels hiding massive ventilated disc brakes, and a completely flat roofline that ensures third-row passengers never feel claustrophobic. The rear is highlighted by a massive through-type LED light bar that can be customized to display messages or emojis to the drivers behind you. But the magic truly happens when you explore the powertrain. The extended-range electric version utilizes a highly efficient internal combustion engine, acting purely as a generator for the massive battery pack. This setup allows you to drive well over 800 miles on a single journey, meaning you could practically cross entire countries without ever needing to stop and plug in. The dual motors generate over 500 horsepower, rocketing this massive luxury tank from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds. Safety is paramount. With a chassis constructed from 90% aluminum alloy and a nuclear submarine-grade hot-formed steel cage, inside the cabin, the Ato M9 transforms into a futuristic sanctuary. The triple-screen one-glass dashboard is stunning, but the absolute party trick is the 32-inch retractable cinema screen that drops down from the ceiling for the rear passengers. This is a true projector-based theater experience on wheels. All 6 seats are fully power-adjustable, heated, and ventilated, with the middle row featuring zero-gravity technology that perfectly aligns your spine to eliminate pressure. A smart refrigerator compartment keeps your champagne chilled or your takeout food warm, making the Ato M9 a camper, a limousine, and a technology hub wrapped into one incredibly priced $70,000 package. Now, we completely shift gears from pure passenger luxury to physics-defying performance. Our third vehicle is not an SUV or a sedan, but a hypercar that makes European exotics look painfully primitive. This is the BYD Yangwang U9, a fully electric supercar that redefines what a performance vehicle is actually capable of doing. Forget everything you know about traditional supercars. The Yangwang U9 is built on BYD's revolutionary E4 platform, featuring 4 entirely independent electric motors dedicated to each individual wheel. This quad-motor setup generates a totally unhinged 1,287 horsepower. Let that number sink in for a moment. This car will violently launch you from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in a face-melting 2.36 seconds. But straight-line speed is only a tiny fraction of the story. The absolute crown jewel of the U9 is the Sussex Intelligent Suspension System. This is an advanced body control technology that allows the car to literally jump off the ground, dance, and drive perfectly on just 3 wheels if a tire blows out at high speeds. This suspension system can lift each axle with astonishing speed, completely eliminating body roll during intense cornering and providing an incredibly smooth ride even on terrible roads. You can even perform a perfect 360-degree tank turn in place, spinning the car like a top without moving forward or backward. Visually, the Yangwang U9 is an aggressive aerodynamic masterpiece, sitting extremely low to the ground with a massive carbon fiber roof, an aggressive rear diffuser, and an active rear spoiler that dynamically adjusts to provide hundreds of pounds of downforce when you are pushing 300 kilometers per hour. Inside, the driver-centric die-link cockpit features multiple high-definition screens, extensive carbon fiber trim, and a thick, race-inspired steering wheel. More importantly, this car represents a massive shift in energy storage philosophy. It relies on incredibly safe and stable structural battery systems, steering the extreme performance market away from volatile traditional setups and pointing heavily toward a future where immense power does not mean compromising on thermal safety. For a price tag of around $236,000, it absolutely embarrasses multi-million-dollar hypercars on the track and on the street. For our fourth revelation, we are entering the realm of the ultra-luxury multi-purpose vehicle. In the West, minivans are often seen as a tragic compromise, but in the new era of Chinese automotive dominance, the MPV is the ultimate status symbol. Meet the Zeekr 9, a massive, blocky, unapologetically luxurious fortress that offers the kind of interior real estate you normally only find in a Manhattan apartment. The exterior design is striking and futuristic, featuring a completely closed-off chrome grille that looks like an illuminated waterfall, flanked by aggressive, high-tech daytime running lights. The aerodynamic efficiency of this massive box is astonishing, boasting a drag coefficient so low it slips through the air quieter than most sleek sports sedans. But the Zeekr 9 is entirely about what happens once you open the massive sliding power doors. You are immediately greeted by an unbelievable 7.4 square meters of interior space. This is not just a cabin, it is a sprawling executive lounge. The middle row features Safaro first-class airline seats wrapped in incredibly soft, dust-resistant Nappa leather. These seats are heavily cushioned with a 7-layer heating structure, offering deep tissue massage and extensive reclining functions. Tucked seamlessly into the armrests are beautiful hidden folding tables coated in premium leather, providing a perfect workspace or dining area. Above you, a dual glass roof floods the cabin with natural light, while intelligent multicolor ambient lighting creates a rhythmic, luxurious atmosphere. For entertainment, a massive 17-inch 3K OLED screen drops down for the rear passengers, perfectly paired with a 20-speaker Yamaha Hi-Fi surround sound system that turns the entire vehicle into a concert hall. The driver is not left out, enjoying a sprawling 35-inch augmented reality head-up display that paints navigation and safety data across the massive windshield. Performance-wise, the all-wheel drive dual-motor setup throws this massive luxury lounge from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in a shocking 4.5 seconds. It handles like a sports car, but rides like a cloud, making the Zeekr 9 the absolute ultimate vehicle for VIP transport. Finally, we arrive at car number 5, the vehicle that is arguably the most dangerous to the established global market, simply because of how unbelievably accessible it is. This is the Yiku J7 plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. While the other cars on this list are aimed at the absolute elite, the J7 is a massive glitch in the matrix because it brings elite, top-tier luxury and rugged capability straight to the everyday consumer. Visually, the J7 looks like a brilliant fusion of a Range Rover Evoque and a Land Rover Defender, heavily modernized for the upcoming decades. It features a massive, aggressive front waterfall grille with vertical chrome slats, sharp checkered flag LED daytime running lights, and a boxy, athletic silhouette that screams premium off-road adventure. It has hidden door handles, massive 19-inch aero alloy wheels, and a floating roof effect created by blacked-out pillars. It looks like it belongs parked outside a five-star hotel, yet it boasts serious ground clearance and an impressive water-wading depth for real-world off-roading. Under the hood, the plug-in hybrid powertrain is an absolute masterpiece of efficiency. Combining a turbocharged engine with a potent electric motor, the J7 delivers an unbelievable combined driving range of over 1,200 kilometers. You could drive across multiple states without ever worrying about a charger or a gas station. The interior is a minimalist, tech-heavy sanctuary. The dashboard is dominated by a massive 14.8-inch vertical touchscreen powered by a blazing fast Snapdragon processor, handling everything from climate control to the jaw-dropping 540-degree panoramic camera system. Yes, 540 degrees, meaning the camera system literally makes the hood of the car invisible on the screen, allowing you to see the exact terrain passing directly beneath your front wheels. The cabin is wrapped in premium materials, featuring heated and ventilated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, a Sony premium sound system, and a refrigerated central armrest to keep your drinks ice cold on long road trips. The most shocking element of the Yiku J7 is the price. Offering a luxury experience that easily rivals vehicles costing 3 times as much, it fundamentally exposes the massive markups of legacy brands and provides incredible value without a single compromise. There you have it. We have just walked through 5 absolute titans of the modern road that are permanently changing the rules of the game. From the billionaire-tier Mixtro S800 and the cinematic tech fortress of the Huawei 80 M9, to the physics-breaking BYD Yangwang U9, the sprawling luxury lounge of the Zeekr 9, and the incredibly accessible off-road elegance of the Yiku J7. These vehicles are not just cars. They are a massive wake-up call to the entire world.